upload a photo, click on Choose Photo. Here's the photo I want to upload. So I'll select it, click on Upload Now. Now click on, well, I didn't need to click on View Image. But you want this link. It begins with HTTP and it ends with .jpeg. So copy this link. Go to Insert Image. And you're going to paste in the URL. And click on Insert Image. So there's the photo, which is my new avatar. But I'm just going to erase that, and I'll be posting a YouTube video on how to upload this photo. So click on Save Changes. Okay, so there's the photo. If you want to upload an existing photo that's on the internet somewhere, but keep in mind copyright issues and all of that. But right-click on the photo and go to Copy Image URL, and we'll go back to the message. And I'm going to edit this message, and I'll just add this photo. Sure. Here's the cursor. That's the insertion point. Click on Insert Image. Once again, right-click and go to Paste. And so this is from the internet. And I'll click Insert Image. So there's the image. And then I'll click Save Changes. But with this forum board, you need a photo hosting website in order to post photos. And I'll show you when you go to Insert Image, there's no place for you to upload a photo from your computer. This doesn't do it. But that's how you upload a photo. You can't upload from this board. A third-party photo hosting website, tinypic.com, tumblr.com, or just Google photo hosting website to get a photo hosting website wanting. And that's about it.